How to change time limit on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down until you find the Screen Time option and tap on it. Inside the Screen Time menu, tap on App Limits. This is where you can set daily time allowances for different app categories. Here, you can add limits to any apps that you want the restriction on by tapping on Add Limit option. First, choose an app. For example, I am setting a limit for games. Tap on this existing limit to edit it. Adjust the overall time. Then tap on the time field and use the picker to set a new daily limit. Next, to change the limit for a specific day, tap on Customize Days. This opens a list of each day of the week. Tap on any day and change its specific limit to 0. Tap Edit List. It is shown a list of app categories and individual apps. Then add any app to this limit. Finally, tap Add to confirm the changes to the app list. The time limit is now fully customized, with different times for different days and specific apps included in the rule. Following these steps, you can change the time limit on an iPhone.